Hello everybody, this is Grace from workanywherenow.com. Today I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to your WordPress post and show you how easy it is to just embed it in there. So you can pick any video that you like on YouTube, and I'm just going to pick obviously
You need a website. Why not do it yourself?
my own video here just so you can see. So on any YouTube video here, you can go down to the title part where you can see add to share and more. So what you want to do is click on share, and you're going to have all these sharing options. So you can share a direct link to the video, or you can share to all these different social media, or you could embed, or you could email. So the one that we want to use is embed. So that's what you're going to use when you want to have the video kind of play inside your WordPress post. Now, so initially when you come to embed, you see this already highlighted. So I'm just going to copy, I'll copy at this point because I already know what my settings are. So if you want to add more settings or take off more settings, you could click this show more and it'll preview what it looks like. So because here you could tell it to show suggested videos when the video finishes. So I leave that blank because I want them to stay with my video, because I have other things on at the end of my video that I want them to click on. And then I like to give them access to the controls of the player so they can maximize the video to full screen or forward or backwards or pause. And then showing the video title and such, I like to do that. And I don't do the privacy enhanced mode. I don't need privacy for this video. So those are your options. So if you change any options, then you just go back here and highlight it and copy again. Okay, so and then you go to your WordPress, and so let's, for example, this is the post you want added to. My suggestion is that you already put your text in here the way you want it and add your video last. I say this because it sometimes can mess up your spacing or the way you want to write your post. So I think it's just safer to do it last. So here's we're on visual tab, but to embed the code, you got to go to your text tab. Okay, these codes here mean that I used returned on my visual. So for me to have these spaces, I just used my return key. So that's what these codes here are signifying. So I'm just gonna put the video in here. Let's see how it goes. Just paste it as is, and this is the dimensions of your video here, 640 pixels by 360. So you can change this right now if you want, or you could do the percentages here. Whatever you change, just make sure your ratio stays the same, the aspect ratio, or else your video will look funny. And then if you change the width and the height by percentage, you might want to do it the same here. So if I go back to the visual tab, okay, you see my text here. So I still have my return here and my return here. So at this point, I could just delete those if I don't want them, and so forth. So let's just take a preview to look at what it looks like on the actual post. So sometimes when it's blank like this, I don't know if it's the browser I'm using or whatnot, but I just gotta refresh and it'll show up. Here we go. So it looks centered right now because my width is not that wide. If you have like a full screen uh, WordPress post, it may look to the left. As you can see in this frame, it is aligned to the left. And using these alignments up here doesn't work. So the trick that I use is I go back to the text tab, and then I just put less than sign and I put center and greater sign, and then I close that at the very end of the video code with less than sign slash center. So that just close it. It just means that I'm just going to center just the video part. So if I go back to the visual tab now, it's not showing us. Yeah, see, sometimes the coding, I don't know why it does this. It doesn't go where I want it to go. So I'm gonna try that again. Still not working. You see how it even went away, the entire thing. I'm gonna try it one more time. Not sure why this is not working for me. Let's try this code. All right, that code works. I mean, they both work, so just so you have, I'm gonna leave it in the video so you have two choices. I don't know what's up with one or the other, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I'm not, as you can tell, I'm not the craziest expert here. But, so I know two types of coding. The center and slash center to close where you want it, but right now, this div align coding is working, so I'm going to leave that in there. So what I did was that, just so I could explain it again, the coding for the YouTube video is right there. That's the coding, okay? So what I added was this one top, this top here, which is less than sign div align equal quotation center closing quotation and greater sign, okay? So you put that on top, and then you put another closing code here for to close this formula. So you just put it at the end there, and that works. And you could tell it worked because my video moved from the left here to the center. So if I preview again, I'm not sure we're gonna see much of a difference because the width of my post here is not that obvious. So, but it is. So if you try it, it will center on your WordPress. Okay, so that's two codes, and this is how you embed it. So once it's embedded, you're good to go. So it's already in there. That's it. The other option that I do want to show you was that when you share your link, so if you want to do just a link here, you just copy this link, this direct link. So, so you can, let's say you want to say, if you can't play that video for some reason, you can click here to direct you to the video on YouTube. And so let's say, so you could just link these words here, highlight, add the linking, paste it, and apply. And there you go. So there's two ways to put it, but obviously when you embed a video, this is what you want, right? But this is another option to have it in your post, which is an easy, just a regular link to it. So I hope you like this video. This was just a quick one. And so if you like this video, I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up on my video if you like it. Stay tuned, and thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video. I appreciate your continued support here. Thanks. Bye.